Hi everyone, my name is Michael Asare, and in this tutorial I'll teach you how to switch from the teacher role to the student role to be able to see what the students see when they visit your course page. And let's begin. So let's click on the course, and then to switch the role, you would have to click on this small icon beside your image. Then the last item which says switch row to, just click on that. And then you have the options here. So switch to students. You can switch to these other ones, but let's choose student for this particular tutorial. So click on switch to student. And then now you can see your role has changed. You are now a student, although you are the teacher or the lecturer. The role you are currently using is a student role. So whatever the student sees is what you'll be seeing. So you can see the final exam is restricted. It's not available until this date, and the students should have paid their fees. So it's not even clickable. They can't click to see what is there. And when they click on this quiz, the students, this is what the student will see. Because I've already taken, it says rate attempt quiz. I have 2 attempts. If I go back to the other quiz 2, it says what? I've already taken the quiz, so I only have 1 attempt. I can attempt again. So basically that is how to switch role from teacher to student. Let's go back to our normal role. Let's return to our normal role. So same thing, you click on the drop down icon and you scroll down and you click on return to my normal role. And we are back as the teacher we are. So it's a simple one. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks, and see you in the next one.